going on, YouTube? Back at it again with another motherfucking video. Hope you guys are doing really well. Hope you guys are having a good day, good weekend, good summer, and happy holidays. Happy Mother's Day to all you mothers out there. Listen, man, I know I haven't posted up a video in a while. Here, let me put you guys down. Let's have a quick convo. Let's have a really good convo really quick. Give me a sec. I know I haven't posted up in a while. It's been a pretty long time. Reason being, I did record some banger ass videos. Problem was I was recording in the wrong motherfucking mode, man. So I went to this car meet, went to B-Ham, Woody. There was a cruise and all that. Nice ass video. This video was probably one of my best videos. Turns out I came home to edit the video. What happens? The whole video was recorded on the wrong fucking mode. I recorded the video on the completely wrong mode. So the whole video was muted and time-lapsed. I come home, I'm like, what the fuck, man? So that was a really bummer. It was a big bummer. And this week, or last week Saturday, because today is Friday. Today's Friday. Last week Friday, there was nothing going on. It was raining, weather was horrible. No content to make. There was really nothing to do. So I'm like, all right, bro, I gotta make this one a great video. Gotta up my game, do something crazy. So today, we are going to a car meet. Where's my phone? It is called, let me show, Down River. Hold up. Let me get the information. Down River car meet. It's down in Clinton Street, Wayne. And so I got VIP with me, the Ferrari and the Lambo. And Sultan's calling me, but I got VIP with the Ferrari and the Lambo. Let me answer this kid, bro. Okay, so what was I saying? Yeah, I got VIP for the Lambo and the Ferrari. And yeah, my dad's coming with us. So it's gonna be me, a couple of guys. I really just put up a couple of guys that wanna go. Some of them are not going. A lot of them are being nerds. They don't wanna go. But yeah, me, I gotta make some content. I gotta go. If I'm gonna go by myself, I go by myself. But today, it's me, my dad, Ferrari, Lambo, VIP, car meet, about to get lit. Tomorrow, what we're doing tomorrow, tomorrow's about to be badass too. Tomorrow is a modded Detroit car meet. I also have VIP for that one. I got a VIP spot for that car meet, me, the Lambo. I don't know if I want to take the Lambo, Ferrari, not the Lambo or Hellcat. Because it's modded Detroit, and modded Detroit has a lot of those cars. So it's either going to be Lambo or Hellcat. I'm gonna take it tomorrow. So this video is gonna be a 2-in-1 video. So today's car meet and tomorrow's car meet, because I missed out on a lot of meet and content last meets and content last week. So yeah, so today, tomorrow, one video, boom, about to be crazy. And yeah, we're gonna meet up with everyone, go to the gas station. Yep. This is my dad. Say what up, Bubba.
What's up?
Today we're going. I told you guys where we're going. Car meet, Lambo. That's my brother. My mom moving his car, and yeah. Make sure you follow Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, and there's YouTube too, but I didn't put that. All right, let's get active. Shall we go? Just met up with all the boys. I got my dad behind me. Got Bassam behind me, Jay behind me. About to be a cool little day. We are 4 minutes away. And yeah, we got VIP. I want to see how this is gonna go. It's the first time I bring my pops with me to a car meet. Oh, that mo car. Shit, I missed my car. Oh yeah. My dad wasn't behind me. I dogged this guy. But yeah, we're about to pull up. We'll see you there.
He needed one more.
Got Jay, Mo, my dad. We pulled up. Cars. Damn. We're in the middle of nowhere. We got Josh. All of these motherfucking cars. Holy shit. Damn. Wow.
You can't tell me that's not a piece of shit. I think he left for
This is my favorite car here. This is my favorite fucking car here. The Viper.
Yeah. Where's the bed?
car meet. This car meet is all right. I can say I say it's a slight little good car meet. But the one tomorrow is about to be way better. This one, I'm not liking this one.
I like how that Hellcat literally put it on the sidewalk. So I feel like you only like he wasn't getting off Ferraris, the Audis.
I have a Hellcat.
Fuck your Hellcat.
I have a Hellcat.
Your Hellcat's better than everyone's Hellcat.
I like mine. I got a Hellcat. My kitty's pretty quick. Is my kitty pretty quick?
Just a little bit.
It's kind of fast. It's kind of fast.
Very tight. Very tight car.
What's going on? What's going on? Oh yeah. Lambo. My Lambo's better. Mine's better. I like mine.
Is that a Mercy? Rolling anti-lag on a my bad. Watch out, maniac. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna get one, right? We here with my dad. Oh, what's up, Ambo? Oh, drop the top. Yeah, Moody.
Lambo, Urus, fucking Ferrari. Bubba's chilling. Hell yeah. Where are we going? We're about to leave. Fuck this place, bro. Fuck this place, man. But now we're about to go. We're gonna go to Woodward maybe. And then tomorrow is gonna be a nice ass car meet. Tomorrow's gonna be 10 times better. Hell yeah. Bubba's getting attention.
A piece of shit, dude.
Oh shit, my fault, bro. But yeah, we're skedaddling. We're skedaddling, skedoodling.
Okay.
New day, new beginnings. Fuck yesterday. Yesterday was so lame, man. But I was supposed to, I don't remember what I said, but we were supposed to go to Birmingham, see what was going on. Literally nothing was going on. I'm about to, I don't know if I'm gonna do it after or right now. Here, either right now or before. I'm gonna post some clips of me in the car, Lambo, just me and the boys. There's my dog. But yeah, yesterday we really didn't do nothing in Birmingham. We went to this car meet. As you guys seen, that car meet for a little bit. It was okay. I'm not gonna lie. Shout out to Downriver Meats for giving us the VIP spots. Me and my dad. Appreciate it, guys. Much love. And yeah, but today my dad's gonna come with us again. He really had fun. Honestly, I didn't even think my dad was gonna have fun, but my dad had some fun yesterday. He's like, let's go again, this and that. So today is the modded Detroit one. This one is gonna be a big one. Fuck, man, I don't know. I want to take my car. I don't know if I want to take my car. Hold on, I gotta do this, bitch. I don't know if I want to take my car. Fuck it, I don't give a fuck about the license plate, bro. I don't know if I want to take my car or the Lambo. I don't know, man. Most likely the Lambo. More attention, more eyes, more popularity. I'm trying to grow my channel again. Sub, notifications, share, like the video. But yeah, I'm trying to grow my car channel or whatever the fuck this is, vlog channel. I'm trying to grow it up, and I really need them eyes, them looks. So I think I might take the Lambo out. And today should be fun. It should be cool, a little nice meet. But what I'm thinking for the next video, literally, is I really want to put these bitches back on. I'm thinking of putting these back on my car, because right now I have these, and the car has headers right now, like I said, and these used to be badass. I'm not gonna lie to you, but they literally, the fucking carbon fiber blew off of them. That's how powerful this car is and how loud it was, and it just, carbon fiber blew off mid-highway. Come here, Cooper, let's go. You ugly ass. Come here, come to the backyard, come here. Say hi. Say hi, Cooper. Say hi. Say hi. Come here. Bring your ass over here. But yeah, me, my dad, and a couple guys are gonna go to this modded Detroit one. The problem is, bro, it's kind of far, and I got my sister's soccer game. Maybe I'm gonna record my sister's soccer game. I don't know, but like, fuck it, why not? We're a YouTuber now, you know? You feel? We're a YouTuber now. We gotta do what we gotta do. What are you doing, bro? That's cracked out. But yeah, today's supposed to be fun, and I apologize for the slow content posting. There's really no content there I can post, and I don't want to post no bullshit for you guys, because that's honestly boring. I'm gonna post some boring content. Like, I'm not just gonna post whatever like all these other YouTubers. I'm gonna post something interesting, fun for you guys to watch, enjoyable. I'm not just gonna post no random shit. But yeah, so modded Detroit, I don't know what I'm about to take. I think I'm gonna just take the fucking Lambo, get them looks and shit. But we're not gonna go for too long, because I got a soccer game to go to. But yeah, modded Detroit car meet. It is. See you guys there, or the Shell gas station if we do meet up with everyone. Bro, we just got to the meet. This is a fucking, it was a 30-minute wait, bro. We're still in the line. My dad's behind me. It is slammed, bro. This is probably the biggest meet ever, and my dad's about to beat the fuck out of me. I just know that, guaranteed. But we're here, we're active. Run. Took us about fucking 35 minutes to get to this goddamn car meet. Around 35 fucking minutes. It took so long. But this place is, it's popping. It's huge. This is huge. This is a big ass meet. Slammed. It is slammed. You got the Buff X car. Oh my god. Yeah, that's Buff X. That's a Yube's car.
A Yube is here?
Yeah, this is Wib. Where's he at? That's a Yube's whip. What the hell? Wow. This is the biggest thing I've ever been to. It's huge.
Bigger than the last man at Detroit went.
Saw the guy came up to me. He's like, "Bro, are those the Yeezys? I've never seen them in person yet." Huh? Yeah, gee, I had to.
How are you guys?
I didn't know you guys were doing it here.
How are you?
That's my dad.
Is your dad?
Yeah.
I was driving a Chevelle one time. I thought you were someone else, and I was trying to fuck with you on Michigan Avenue. I remembered the plate. You had a Lucifer plate on there. Yeah, I thought your dad was somebody else, so I pulled up. I was driving my Chevelle, so I pulled up on him, and I'm fucking with him.
Yeah, this place is slammed, bro.
Bro, you know our spectator lot has like 500 cars in it. And
Why is it so slammed?
Because we only do
slammed to the max. Holy shit. Wow. Look at all the bikes, bro. Look at all the bikes, man. Look at the bikes, man. What is going on? I haven't been to a meet like this that was this packed ever in my life. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. But I find me a girlfriend over here. But I find me a bad man. Get married at a car meet. You're wicked. Bro, there's almost fucking 1,000 people here, bro. It's slammed. What the fuck? Look at all of them by our cars. It's the only cars they're by. It's ours. Look at that shit. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Man, oh man. This shit is lame. Yo, look at Bassam. Look at this guy, Bassam. Where's this guy going? Call Bassam. Where's this kid going? Just get scared. Where is he? Where is he? I just seen him. Where the fuck did he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? It's slammed, bro.
Did you go see that second lot?
Yeah, it's slammed.
Yeah, you don't realize.
It's slammed.
You look over here, you're like, oh, let's pick up Sierra. No, there's the second lot, there's the third lot, there's the fourth.
Look at you, cutie. Start on YouTube now.
Yo, what's going on, y'all? This is Sam from BuffX. We're here with Hellcat. I got Lamborghini. He started getting money, so he wants to show you guys his life, but this is just basically me introducing you to him.
$1,000 bucks. $1,000 bucks. AC's on, Ak. AC's on, buddy. We're leaving. Gotta watch my sister's soccer game. It was a fun meet. I wish.
By any chance? Like with the I know.
That was me and him.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, that was us. What up, G? How are you? Alhamdulillah. Where's your car at, G?
Huh?
Where's the whip?
I brought my charger, bro.
No way.
It was a long drive.
Oh, fuck. It's hot, bro. It's hot. It's hot.
I brought my charger because I didn't want to. My Tricock is still dead, bro. I wanted to bring it, but
It's not working? It's not?
it's not. Like, literally, I drive it, and then I stop by a location, even just to get gas. I turn it on, it's dead.
Yeah.
And then I went to the dealer already to get the battery replaced and programmed and everything. It's
the alternator.
It's the alternator.
If it's dying like that, it's the alternator.
100%. Probably the alternator.
It's not charging. Quick fix though. You know how to change alternators?
Yeah.
100%.
I have the dealer.
Same. What I was saying was we're leaving. Gotta watch my sister's soccer game. I wish I could stay. I don't know. Maybe we'll come back. We'll see what's going on. But for now, all right. Connect your music. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe the video is gonna be extended a little bit. I don't know yet. Man, there's so much ass. I had to say that. I'm sorry. But yeah, maybe the video is gonna be extended a little bit. We don't know. But yeah, about to skate, and we'll see what's gonna happen.